سلام وقتتون بخیر. امیدوارم که حالتون خیلی خوب باشه. خیلی خوش اومدید به سری جدید سلو انگلیش پادکست. تو این پادکست ها من خودم قراره براتون در مورد موضوعات مختلف که شاید کمتر ازش رو شنیده باشین صحبت بکنم. این پادکست ها با 2 زیرنویس فارسی و انگلیسی هستن و خیلی آروم این پادکست ها رو میخونم که همه زبان آموزا در سطوح مختلف بتونن متوجه بشن موضوع در واقع این پادکست ها و سطحشون هم براتون توی هر قسمت نوشته میشه. اگر آموزش ها رو دوست دارین لایک این ویدیو و سابسکرایب کانال رو فراموش نکنید. بریم که شروع بکنیم. Have you ever felt your heart becoming heavy, like you are carrying a sadness that nobody can see? Loneliness can feel exactly like that. It is a quiet pain, but it sits deep inside the heart. Sometimes it feels like you are shouting for help, but no one can hear you. Sometimes it feels like you are standing in the middle of a crowd, but you are still completely alone. Loneliness often comes slowly. You go to work or school, you talk to people, you smile, you say, "I'm fine." But inside, something begins to hurt. Your chest feels tight. Your thoughts feel slow. You start to feel like nobody understands you. Nobody really sees you. And nobody knows what is happening inside your heart. This feeling can come for many reasons. Maybe you moved to a new place and left your old life behind. Maybe a friend stopped talking to you. Maybe someone you loved hurt you or left you. Or maybe life just changed too fast and you couldn't follow it. Sometimes there is no clear reason at all. You just feel a deep emptiness that you cannot explain. When loneliness becomes strong, even simple things become difficult. Eating breakfast feels strange. The world looks gray, like the colors disappeared. You hear people laughing and talking, but their voices sound far away. But here is something important. Loneliness does not mean you are weak. It means your heart needs love, connection, and understanding. It means you want someone to listen to you, someone to sit beside you, someone to tell you that you matter. These are beautiful needs, not weaknesses. Sometimes loneliness also teaches us things. In the quiet moments, when the world feels far away, we start to hear our true thoughts. We ask ourselves, who am I? What do I want? What kind of people do I need around me? These questions can help us grow and understand ourselves better. Still, we should not face loneliness alone. Even a small step can bring light back into the darkness. A short message to a friend, a small conversation, a walk outside, a smile at someone, a hobby we enjoy. These simple things can slowly open the door to warmth again. Healing doesn't happen in one day, but every little step helps. And remember this, many people around you feel the same pain, even if they hide it. Some people laugh loudly, but feel empty inside. Some people work hard because they don't want to sit with their loneliness. When we understand this, we become kinder. We become softer. We understand that everyone carries their own invisible story. Loneliness is a chapter, not the whole book. It will not stay forever. One day, someone will enter your life and make you feel seen again. One day, you will wake up and feel lighter. One day you will smile, a real smile, and you will know that the dark cloud has finally passed. Until that day comes, remember, your feelings are real, your heart is strong, and you are not alone, even when it feels like you are.